In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some basic mathematical operations on matrices. To start, we just want to see what matrix I have available to me. I've already preloaded this one called XMAT, which is the numbers 1 through 4 loaded across the rows there. Now I can do a scalar addition, meaning I'm going to add a single value to every value in this matrix just by adding. So I can just do +1 there, and it added 1 to everything. I can do a scalar multiplication to XMAT. Say I want to multiply every value by 2, I just do 2 times XMAT, and that'll double everything. I could do 3 or 4 or 5, whatever I want there. Now, the next thing I might want to do is do a matrix multiplication, multiply 2 matrices together. So I can start with XMAT, which you notice is a 3 by 4 matrix, and then I've already loaded one called YMAT, which is a 4 by 3 matrix. What I want to do is multiply XMAT times YMAT, and if we notice a 3 by 4 times a 4 by 3 should give me a 3 by 3 matrix out. And the way I do that is I use this matrix multiplication operator, which is 2% signs sitting around an asterisk. And indeed, I get a 3 by 3 matrix out. Next thing I might want to do is transpose a matrix. Just flip the columns and the rows. So I've got YMAT, and that's a 4 by 3. Suppose I want to make it into a 3 by 4 matrix. What I do, and I'm going to actually keep this for the next thing we do here, is I use the transpose operator, which is just a T with the round parentheses. And now if I look at YMAT, I get a 3 by 4 matrix. Now the reason I did that was so we can see the last operation we're interested in is just adding 2 matrices together. Now to add 2 matrices together, they need to have the same shape, or the same dimensions. The XMAT was a 3 by 4, and now that we've done the transpose on that YMAT, it's also a 3 by 4. So we can say just XMAT plus YMAT, and it'll add the corresponding elements. And if you remember, XMAT was 1 to 12, and YMAT was 13 to 24. So I should get 14 for the first element, 16 for the next, 18, so on. So these are the basic mathematical operations you can perform on a matrix or matrices.